Hey, what's up? Andrew Kramer here from Videocopilot. Oh shit, wrong channel.
Gravy.
Well, hello there. I'm Isidor, and today I'll be teaching you something that is surprisingly non-existent on the interwebs. A Cinema 4D Octane snow tutorial. Like seriously though, there's little to no information about making realistic snow. So I thought of making a tutorial of my own. Thanks to the guys at the Cinema 4D subreddit. I was encouraged to make this tutorial because of it. So go to that subreddit. It's a really friendly and cool place, and the people are amazing. Like absolutely amazing. So let's get down with the tutorial. So this is the setup which I rendered this on. So wait, this is the final render that I got. You see, this is what I was looking for. This shiny and fluffy snow. On the Otoid forms, they gave a method like it was snow, but it didn't have the feeling of snow. It was like salt. That's what I made like earlier. This is what I made before this, and this like, seriously looks like dandruff to me. So yep. Okay, let's get on this. So it's a fairly simple setup. The whole thing is being done on the plane, and the floor is here to block the light from going like to infinity. And this is the Octane sky. You don't need the HDRI link, but yeah, it's good. I added my own HDRs, so let's start from scratch. What I'll do is make a plane first, and like make this Octane specular. I'm going to the node editor and bring it up. So wait, let me just add this to this. God damn it. Let me start this. So for the actual geometry, I used the depth map. I used the depth map like this. You can find this like on Google or something. This is from my thing, terrain or something, I don't know. I used that one, so I'll use that one again. Yeah, so this, and add displacement node. Displacement. Yeah, you won't see any displacement right now. It's 10 centimeters. Yeah, you see that. But to make it visible, I'll add a daylight. Just wait, I'll just make it into an angle. Yes, and like this. Yeah, you see, this is like totally transparent. So I added this floor to like, you see that's really cool. I didn't see that last time, but that is really cool. We are not going to do that because this doesn't look like snow at all, but still that's cool. If that's what you're looking for, you can end this. So where's this? This is here. So I'll do this. Wait, I'll add fake shadows. God damn it. And add a subsurface scattering. Sorry, scattering, sorry. And add an RGB spectrum. Duplicate it. Use the same thing on both of them. I'll add a noise. The Octane noise, not the default Cinema 4D. That works too, but I don't like that. I like that more, but it's not like when you do it, it doesn't give you the procedural thing, but it gives you like a texture thing. So I'll use this as my bulk map. You need to increase this. Like, see, 10 should be fine. Like it increases the fineness of the noise, so I'll just increase that, and omega I'll just go to 0.6. I'll bring up the contrast. Okay, and the scattering one, I just bring down the density like 20. Yeah, see, look at that. Yeah, I was getting worried if it will work or not. Yeah, this looks better than the original one actually. So I'll bring this 35. Yeah, it works. No, transform. Yep. Transform. And just bring this down to like a really low number. 0.05 is enough, I think. See, now you get that. We're getting noisy reflections. That's what I wanted to say. Yep. And I had to increase the displacement level of detail. It's a 2K image texture, so it should be fine. This thing that you see right here, it is because of, get closer to that. It is because it's near to the edge, and it is like, it's just a plane. You see, it's seriously just a plane, and I'm just trying to fake it. You can do this to a sphere, and it will work totally fine. Working on a plane is a different story. Let's see. Okay. Now it's almost done. I'll add an Octane sky. And I'll use this. You see, yeah. After being rendered, you see these are like being choppy and stuff. It looks okay, but yeah, it looks fine, but I don't like that. You need to add a filter type. I used Gaussian, and it's just a Gaussian blur, like in Photoshop. I hope it's rendering PT. Yep. Nope, it's not. Change that to PT, and boom, there it is. Look at that. Change the angles. Wait, I'll put this to 240 and this to 1. This should be at 1. Everybody's saying that. Even I accept that. It should be at 1. Why is it like 1 million? And one thing I like to do is set the priority to high, because it like decreases the render times a little bit, but that's enough. So you can see that you get this cool snow effect. It took me hours to come up with this, because I had no idea how to use this scattering medium. So I had to look up how to do scattering. Yeah, and it's really easy. One thing we can do is decrease the red amount in this. And why do I have a red amount in this? Goddamn. It's like 0.5, just a little bit. Yep, that works. And on this the same, 0.5, and yeah, this works. Look at that. Look at that. And if you change the angle, yeah, I add the camera and enable blue. This is how you get that glowy effect. That's what we were thinking. I didn't add any roughness, so just go to roughness and like 0.05. As you can see there, wait, let it render. It's shiny over here. This is what I was looking for. You can do this to any object, like, of course you can. I'm just going to show this anyway, because I like to do that. Okay, that's just damn. How do I roll? Yeah. That looks like a cotton ball to me. For bigger objects, I think you need to decrease the density in the scattering node. I'm not going to open the node editor, it's gonna lag out my PC. So I'm just gonna decrease, not too much. Like, yeah, 12 is enough. And this is how you do it. That's about it. Like, seriously, this is the easiest thing I've ever done in my life, but it was the hardest thing I've had to do in my life to find it. and how to do it. And that's about it. If you have any ideas or tips you would like to share or something, like how do I render this faster, it's like gonna take 3 minutes for a frame, so I'll be there in the comment section. God damn it, I sound like a YouTuber now. Damn. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time when I'm fighting a crippling depression with my bare hands.